So in order for me to really get anywhere with this lathe, I need to make some more tools because I'm too cheap to buy more ones, because I've only spent like 16 bucks on this entire lathe, so I'm not going to spend 30 bucks on some tools. That would make no sense. So I had this super fancy, sophisticated water pipe that I've decided this is going to be the handle, and then this will be where I'll screw in all the tubes. That'll be the bits. So like this one, I think we can cut to, well, we'll figure it out. I'm not actually that sure what I'll do. But I figure I can make different size bits, different size chisels that I can all screw in. And that's like what? I bought a bucket of these at a yard sale for $1, so it's like 10 cents worth of materials. Sharon Tube Company, that's funny. Perfect. Hey, no one said you could unscrew. Bad. Very bad. So, let's see how that works. I have some 1902 yellow pine, which I believe it is. I don't know. It's just whatever I have on hand. But I'm planning to use this to make a handle for my winch, and this bolt will go through it. Oh yeah, it's not there enough. Got that little sharper on the hand grinder. We'll see if this material is even able to hold an edge long enough, to be honest. I'm not exactly won over by this because this might be pretty soft. It might not actually harden that well. This wood might just not be very good for this. It was an old 2x4 after all, but oh my god, it smells so good. Alright, I cut up 2x4 and it actually smells pretty good. Sometimes 2x4s smell bad. It's odd how it kicks back a lot. It has to do with not being sharp enough. I'm going to move from my homemade thing, which this might be good for just a roughing tool, you know, because it's not going to break very easily. But now I'm going to try the other tool. we're working with. That's where the handle is going to be. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that's okay. I'll go ahead and part it off. It'll just be drilled in, so the nut will be in there to the end. I mean, it's kind of small, but it's better than nothing. And I can just burn it if not. So that was my first attempt at making my own tool. I would like to hear what you guys think about this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.